Now, you might be in a weird situation where for some reason your iPhone just keeps randomly vibrating. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, it means that your iPhone either is randomly vibrating or you're feeling like it's vibrating randomly. Now, the first thing that can happen, there are some reasons why your iPhone can randomly vibrate. Sometimes, if you put your volume button up and down, it can vibrate a little bit when you get to the very bottom. Also, with your iPhone on the side, if you go ahead and actually change this ringer switch, if the mute switch goes up or down, that can also vibrate your phone. There are some other things that can probably vibrate your phone too, like sometimes if you put a certain case on, maybe it'll vibrate, I don't know. But there are lots of exterior factors that can possibly, cause your iPhone to vibrate. On top of that, your iPhone can randomly vibrate with weird random notifications. So what I'd recommend doing is going inside of your iPhone notifications like this and seeing if there are any notifications here that you can actually turn off completely. On my personal iPhone, I do have lots of notifications turned off because I don't want my phone randomly notifying me and randomly vibrating my phone all the time. So just go ahead and turn off any notifications from your phone that you want. And if your phone is on the mute switch like this, then it'll just not vibrate most of the time. But if it isn't, then just go ahead and mute your phone or turn off those notifications. Another thing you can do is under sounds and haptics on your iPhone, there are some haptics that you can turn off. So for example, keyboard feedback. If you want the haptic, which is the vibration motor, you can keep it on, but what I'd recommend doing is just turning it off. And also like playing haptics in ring mode, playing haptics in silent mode, system haptics, you probably just want to go and turn those things off if you don't want any vibration at all from your device. Now, another thing I've seen from a lot of people is like they will randomly feel like their phone is vibrating even though it isn't. That is like a phenomenon. I used to have this too, where basically my phone would be in my pocket and I would feel like it's vibrating, but it's actually not really. So it could be just like a feeling. It goes away after a while, but that's just another thing to kind of keep in mind as well. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.